Today, we are going to install new decals on my 3rd gen Tacoma. There are many places to buy these, but I ended up going with GP Walsh Designs. Here are their current offerings for the 3rd gen. They also make many decals for other vehicles. Be sure to watch till the end for a 15% off coupon code. For the bedsides, I went with the matte black topographic pattern for the TRD Sport. I also did the black topographic hood decal to help reduce glare and tie everything together. Alright, the first step to putting on the new decals is going to be taking the old ones off. I'm going to try to just peel them off without any heat first. We'll see how that goes. But I might have to add some heat. Let's get started. Alright, now that it's off, you can see there's still a bunch of adhesive left. So we're going to come out with some Goo Gone and clean up the adhesive off. And then we'll do the other side. And then later we will clean the quarter panel real good. I'll probably clay bar it so it's all smooth. And then we'll put the new decals on. Alright, passenger side's done. Now we're going to take the sticker off the driver's side. Alright, now the decal's gone from the driver's side. So we're going to take this truck and wash it. And then I'll clean it up some more before I put the new decal on. Alright, the quarter is clean, truck's been washed. Now we're going to use some clay bar to remove any imperfections before we put the sticker down. Alright, we've got the sticker taped in place where we want it. We've got the bedside nice and clean. Now we're going to spray a little bit of soapy water, peel back the paper, and use the provided squeegee to apply the sticker. Alright, now that the decals on the side are done, we are going to work on the hood and scoop decals. First we have to clean off the top of the hood. Alright, here's a look at the final product. It came out pretty good. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.